Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sign with Siddham. Please subscribe, like, share and click on the bell icon. Let's start. Today we are going to discuss about 5 riddles to boost your brain stamina. Riddle number 1. There was a boy. He was stuck in a castle. It was night when the moon is crescent. There are 3 doors in front of him. You have to go through one of them. Behind the first door, there are werewolves. Toxic gas blows behind the second one. Behind the third one, a fire is rising. From which door will you escape? Your time starts now for 10 seconds. The answer is, he will escape from the first door. Should use the first door because the werewolves would be humans that time, as the moon was crescent. They will turn into werewolves only on full moon nights. Riddle number 2. A girl is lost in the jungle. She saw a cave in a jungle. She went in to take some rest inside the cave for a while. After some time, the cave was closed by a person. The girl said to stop, but her voice did not reach the man. Cave is too dark after it was closed. Then she found some sticks and stones lying behind her. She put the sticks in front of her and then she lighted up the fire using the stones. She got a bright light and she found a small way. In that, there were 3 doors. The first door has poisonous snakes. In the second door, hungry lion not eaten from one ear. And the third door has poisonous spiders. Which door she should escape from? Your time starts now for 10 seconds. The answer is, she should escape from the second door. She used the second door because the lion cannot live without eating food for 1 year. The lion will be dead, so she can escape from the second door. Riddle number 3. There was an old king in a castle. He did not have any children, so he wanted to choose one child to be a king after him. He wanted a boy who is honest and wise in the city. Then he ordered the soldiers to get all the male children in his kingdom. When the children came, he gave different seeds to all children and ordered them to grow the plants in a pot within a month. After a month, all the children came with beautiful plants in their pots except one boy. The king chooses that boy whose pot was empty to be a king after him. Why? Your time starts now for 10 seconds. The answer is, the king selected that boy because the king gave fake chicks to all the children. That boy was chosen for his honest and other children changed the seeds from the seeds which the king gave. Riddle number 4. A man is locked in a room. Suddenly, entire city has a power cut. He found 3 doors to escape the room. First door has very harmful toxic gas. The second door has deadly mosquitoes. The third door has electric wires which has large bolts of electricity that can burn him into ash. From which door he should escape? Your time starts now for 10 seconds. He should escape from the third door because there was a power cut in that entire city, so electricity cannot transmit through the wires. Riddle number 5. A girl stuck in a castle. It has a window. There was a long tree which can reach up the window. She tried to climb down the tree, but its branches were so weak and thin which cannot carry her. There were 3 doors to escape from the castle. The first door has flames of fire. The second door has dark room. The third door has venomous snakes behind it. How will she escape? Leave a comment. Give your answer for this riddle in the comment box. Thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and also like and share it. Bye.